How to create a Squarespace website for a client. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to create a website for your client in your Squarespace account. So the process is going to be very easy and simple. We're going to head over to squarespace.com, sign in for an account or for our account that we work with, and then we're going to head over the account dashboard. You can go ahead and select one of the websites and do the same thing or the same, let's say, procedure that we are going to introduce you to after creating a website. Or you can go ahead and start with us by creating a website from scratch. So, after you have got the demand from the client on about the type of the website and also the let's say here the features and also the pages or the type of the content that they want or any type of client that they want to see into their website, you're going to create a new website. Let's say here, or let's present a little scenario. We have a client and we are going to have something, or we want a website that is going to be, let's say, for a restaurant. So we are going to create a restaurant, for example, website. How we can do that? We are going basically to click on create website and we are going to set up the name of it. So the topic of the website, we are going to set it up from here. So we are going to put the type of the website. For example, we are going to search for restaurant. So we are going to see here when you are going to type in a restaurant, for example, we are going to see here restaurants, restaurant reservations, kitchen and dining, and every type of restaurant as you can see in your website. So we are going to satisfy ourselves with the restaurants only. We are going to click on next. Now, what are you going to need into that website? For example, if you're going to sell products, go ahead and click on sell products. And it is not going to have here a product, but instead we are going to add some bookings. So we are going to set up some appointments. You can also set up some memberships. You can promote an event or a project. Here, mostly events, because, for example, when you are going to set up a restaurant, you can go ahead and make some events, host some stores, or do a dinner or a buffet. I don't know, here you are going to have it in here. Send an invoice. I'm not going to be that, or collect donation. Maybe you are going to set up some donation, build a community. Yes, sell on demand videos, courses, and etc. No, we are not going to do that. Maybe we are going to need to sell some services. After that, we are going to click on next. Here we are going to face two choices. Either we are going to browse a the template or the template that has been pre-made by Squarespace, or you could go ahead and use the Blueprint AI from Squarespace to build your own and unique website. So I'm going basically here to head over browse template because I would like the, let's say here, the traditional one or the traditional way. So we are going to see here the websites, as you can see. And also, if any of the website templates that you do not like, or the template that you want does not exist or does not appear in here, and you want to build it with the AI, you're going to get the button of build with AI. So here, what I am going to do is to see one of the website. And based on the topic or the type of the website that you have put, you're going to see here the, let's say, type of website plus the specific services that we want. For example, membership, scheduling, services, donations, and etc. Here we have the topics or the most known topics at the left side of the screen. So we are on the restaurant. We have a total of 15 theme or template. So what can we do here is explore one of the templates. As you can see, we have a lot of resembling templates in here. So we can go ahead and select one of the templates and then we're going to have it in here. So you can go ahead and click on one of the templates and see if it is going to be, let's say, suited for you. So this one is looking, I'm not going to lie, this is looking delightful. So you can go ahead and have this. This is going to be a website that has a lot of as you can see, pages. And go ahead and have the story and also the visit and finally the social media, as you can see late. So you can go ahead and click or select one of the simple colors presets that comes with the website. As you can see, you can change the non having a background image, as you can see, sections. For example, I'm going to choose this, that, or this. So you can go ahead and use it. You can also consult the mobile version of the website with the menu integrated on it and see if it is going to be suitable for you. If in case you do not like what you are going to see or what are you seeing, you are going to head over or click on the previous and then you're going to select another, for example, template. For example, we have this one, we have this, each one with its specific name. So I'm going to select this. I think that this is maybe more modern. We are going to explore it with the desktop, as you can see. It is something that maybe I'm going to head with because it has the menu and the price of the menu and etc. I can go ahead and change, for example, the as you can see here, the preset of the colors. But what I am going to do here, we have a image slider, and this is very thoughtful from the maker, of course. Now I'm going to click on start with this design. So I'm going to ignore with generated with AI and also the previous model. I'm going to go with this one. So what are we going to do basically in here is to wait for the website to set up. So we are going to get the work finished in nearly just a few seconds. Now we have our website ready, so we can consult the pages. We can go ahead and add any page that the clients, for example, has mentioned. Make sure that you are going to put the terms with your clients about the pages that you're going to add, the sections, and also the blogs or the blocks. So you can go ahead and add, for example, for a client, this specific website, and you're going to edit it. So you can go ahead and head over the client. You're not going to present it like this because this is going to be something that the client could or can go ahead and do it themselves. So you're going to modify the title. You're going to modify, for example, the background color by or the background image. For example, they are going to put their own. We are going to get their material, of course. And for example, here you're going to take a look at this specific section and see if it is going to be, let's say, convenient for the client. You can go ahead and take some screenshots and then you're going to ask the client about it. So if they are going to see it fit or not. And also for the galleries or the, as you can see here, the specific slider. So you're going to put their own, let's say, plates and also their own products, of course, because these are going to be some random photos that has been picked up from different Shutterstock, I think, or something like that. And here we have it. Also for the menu, you can go ahead and tap or double tap on the menu. So as you can see here, we can go ahead and modify the piece of the menu that has been added. So this is a premium block. So you can go ahead and head over the blocks and you can search for the premium blocks. As you can see here, we have menu, we have Amazon, donations, and also open tables. So what can we do is you make it a little bit bigger or smaller for here, and this is the only thing that we can do basically. When you click on or double tap on this one, it is going to be something that you can modify. For example, we are going to modify the price of the Primavera salad. So we are going to put it 10 bucks. And it can be here modified. Each one of the lines could be modified and also you can go ahead and set up the design. Here you can go ahead and set up a multi-column, a centered, or we can also set up the formatting in here. So basically that was pretty much the menu in here. It is going to be a premium feature. You can go ahead and see that we have also some menus added in here because you are going to see the lock. So you're going to upgrade to the premium or the premium plan to set up the things in here. When you double tap, you're going to see that it is going to be something that we need to upgrade instead or in order to publish it. Basically, you can go ahead and select the, as you can see, the section. edit it, put the background color of it or the background image into a video, into an art, or into whatever. Basically, that was pretty much it for this. Do not set up or forget about the footer because we need the information about the restaurant and you're going to need the location. So you're going to copy and paste that specific, as you can see here, let's say location. We are going to put it to the footer. For example, we are going to have it in here. So I'm going to drag and drop it to the footer. So I'm not going to do that like this. This is going to be something that it is going to be exaggerated, but you can go ahead and copy and paste it into the footer. So you can go ahead and edit the footer, paste your location in here, put it a little bit smaller, just like that, and have it your way like that. So you can go ahead and set up the footer a little bit. Let's say here's, I'm going to edit the section. This is the footer. So let's try to make it a little bit bigger. So we can go ahead and edit that page or edit site footer. So I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. So we can go ahead and visualize the location and etc. So this is the button. Now you can go ahead and add, for example, a location or the exact location into a map. In here, you can go ahead and have a photo of Google Maps and add it in here. So, or the photo of the local of the client, and then you're going to put it just like that. Basically, that was pretty much for it for the creation of the website. Now, let's head over the most important thing: how we can make that specific website the client's, let's say, property. So we are going to head over here and we are going to click on settings. From the settings, we are going to head over the permissions. So we are going to add basically the client as a collaborator. How we can do that, it is going to be very simple. You're going to head over the permission ownership. You're going to click on here and then you're going to invite the contributor. So either you are going to add the client as a contributor if you're going to make the clients see the website or only set up some, let's say, basic things. You can also go ahead and add it as a ownership or a transfer ownership to the person that you're going to put. So you're going to click on transfer ownership, continue with Google, and then you are going to set up the email address of that person that you are going to have. They are going to get an invitation into or through the email, and then they are going to get a put the password for the Squarespace account of them, and then they are going to be free to use whatever they want into the specific website that you have created. Basically, that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you soon on the next one.